In this video, I will show you how to add keywords to WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do this, we need to install a plugin. So scroll down right here until you can see the option for plugins. Click on this Add New Plugin right here. And then once you have done that, it will show you the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So what you can do is we can click on the search bar, search in here for Use SEO. So we need this particular plugin in order to make this possible, but any SEO will also work. Now in here, you can see this YOC SEO. Make sure to install this. As you can see, mine has been installed and it's already been active. Once you have installed this, just head over to any posts or pages that you want to add a keyword into. So let's head over to my post. And then onto my post right here, let's head over and edit this dog post. Click on this edit option and it will open the block editor of this particular post. So here's the post. Let's try to scroll down, and in here you can see this SEO. So as you can see, here's the focus key phrase. You can have in here dogs, and you can add some more. Now it will be this SEO appearance, and you can see in here the SEO title. So you just need to head over and add in here a SEO title for this one. For example, let's add in here dogs. And then as you can see, it's been added. You can also add meta description, and in here you can see this related key phrase. So you can try to click on this one in order to add this, but this actually costs a subscription to SEO, Yoast SEO itself, in order to add key phrases. Once you have subscribed, you should be able to add some related key phrase right here in order to actually install or elevate your SEO status and make your post or page much more optimized. Once you're done with that, click on the save option and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.